Exposed GH. Edina members baby abeshia mbia frame ya meje was so. I just subscribe me the two man now akandi. Shatta Lamborghini. This is your friend no yes wa ko wia Lamborghini you say wa to awia you say de be because wa for masia pa na ne ya ruma ya mani bill. Na no na Twum Boafo I nisini all can say me na some no ka no. Me pese Shatta fans muti ya bekasa.
I have a piece of advice. Yes. For Shatta. Very short, succinct, and very simple.
Right.
Shatta, most of us listen to your music. We are proud of you. We are proud of where you came to and where you have gotten to. One of the proudest moments I can recall was when I heard that you were recording a song with Beyonce. I thought that was a moment of emancipation for many people like you, and an example for young people in how to be persistent to achieve. So for your own sake, don't get involved in a criminal enterprise, racketeering, that can result in you being extradited to the United States to face justice. That's my advice to him. You have a following. Yesterday we saw the following, we are seeing the following. That applies insofar as we are here.
Right.
When some of us were taken to EOCO, me, I didn't have any following. My family in Latte and the Cropon didn't even know. Several times we were taken there, nobody knew. But if you get to the point where the FBI want to extradite you to the States because you are a suspect in racketeering, your fans cannot get a visa to follow you there. Right? Salam Mustafa cannot follow you, that he will not follow you there. Shatta, you have achieved so much without driving a Lamborghini. For the sake of all that you have done, you don't need it to improve your brand. You're already there. People like you, Twum Boy, and others have shown what it means to be persistent and believe in what you are doing. Toward that same line, you don't need a Lamborghini to write another song that becomes a hit. As an NDC person, Mahama paper lives in my mind.
Okay.
Don't get to the point where you have bought stolen goods and when you actually say you don't know who sold it to you. You see, Moro,
Okay.
this stolen car business that thrives in Ghana, there are a lot of dynamics to what they do, including people amending bills of lading and changing chassis numbers when the vehicles land.
Wow.
Claiming that they are being transshipped to Burkina Faso and taking it out and they can't, nothing else, it doesn't see the light of day. But let's spare a thought for the people who actually own what it is that has been stolen. Some people say, oh, don't worry, insurance will pay. But that's not the point. So, my plea to Shatta is that, my brother, don't go where you are going. And don't let the people outside fool you. Because if you are indicted by the Federal Bureau of Investigation, we have a mutual legal agreement with them. They will come to court. They will extradite you.
Okay.
Some people have been extradited. We know. Dada Joe and Co, they are gone. So let's advise some of these, our superstars, that they don't need the itinerant exposure and the notoriety of some of these things. That is racketeering. There are laws against racketeering everywhere in the world. Like I said, we have mutual legal agreements with several countries where we extradite criminals back to the countries of commission. Please, don't get involved in that, because I want to go on hearing hit after hit after hit after hit. And I'm happy that he himself has recorded a message talking about the professionalism of the EOCO and what have you and what have you. Even us, non-entities, we got professionalism from EOCO.
Okay.
I know Assembly is beyond Ghana. Assembly and FBI. And winning Shatta movement and your winning. Yeah, started. Yeah, cast on US. Nasabi. Yeah, some wise some massimo up. Now call. Debbie, I'm assembly. I make a hair. Say, and ya no cry. Ye be jano. And ya no craw bedem. Debbie, I make a be said. My yes, because of politics. And as a fair mintino, Nipano Sabe, I didn't know why I cry, yet me and friend and Bisano, questions from a wrong. We live in the country of law. As Sabe, Obiya Bibia, irrespective of who you are. The constitution of Ghana, under which we all are, Obiya is subject with even the president. And he said, Sabe my bibi na your friend say you invite me. It does cross say my followers will mass up at the place and demand say they should release me. Why you know say I didn't know to and I need an explanation. Because Shatta say onim nipa akokwa ka ne dia. Ye nyina bia to yeda. We all deal in cars. It is sometimes no obi the car bi beba. Obetimi atoka no otowie no problem about. The police will invite you and normal. But this one, it goes beyond the borders of what? Ghana. So I'm urging Shatta movement. Some person will be the compare experienced lawyer Emma Shatta. Because very soon the FBI are going to call him. Information I can say beside the Lamborghini, there are even instances of who deals between him and the so-called the fraud guy, which has to be explained. It is the FBI, they'll just invite Shatta to the US, and then they'll tell the Ghana police to move Shatta to the US. Now do one man, SMM fans some more 5 6 10 but move to me acquire protest for all. You're careful. Yet way a star does not mean you are above the law. Whatever you do, you have to pay for. It is a Shatta, make us away. But we should allow the process to go on. Process Shatta is a brand. Or a brander or a Ghana. I am proud to see him perform to the highest level. But at the same time, the law is not respecter of any person. FBI, what would the Arkeli Kotumu? Mike Tyson at his peak. What would they go to? And then your friend say, Bakuya, you see now, what you sue Robbie or the what him? So the Americans, they don't even give a damn about celebrity. The names are mentioned only global icons. Shatta is a small fish in the pond. Local champion. What do you and Muja is here, more putting pressure because the more and when the Burma people today, some pressure that some Muja is more year all these things. No, try the way to help him because he's a Ghanaian. I wouldn't want him to land in what US prison. No, because the US people they are notorious. Say, Obiome say, or you're black, say, all rising, they'll bring you down. So I'm urging the SM fans. When you're the young son, and yet in Toka, when you're at Nokasa obey Yobi, and your young son ye cano, say, I did assembly ye cano, is not only Ghana, across Ghana. asem we be actually ne be SM fans SM for life aha Xposed GHFM subscribe say me too ma na won saka man wasi